I would choose probably Lexus. Don't just default to Toyota and pay the reliability tax. Next one, Honda Civic. Car guys love to discuss Japanese reliability versus German engineering. And it seems you know the difference. But here is the question: does German cars depreciate brutally and Japanese hold their value well? I will show you today the real prices comparison between BMW 5 Series, Toyota Camry, Lexus ES and others. And we will try to find out which is actually cheaper to buy and own, used German or used Japan. German engineering and Japanese reliability aren't opposites, they are just trade-offs. German cars chase innovation, they lead in tech, luxury and performance. But that innovation comes at a cost, complexity. When it works, it's perfection, when it fails, it's catastrophic. Japanese brands chase refinement, they focus on predictability. Their tech might look simple, fewer screens, less drama, but that's the point. They test, delay and polish before releasing it. In short, German equals innovation first, reliability second. Japan equals reliability first, innovation later. Write your thoughts. Do you agree with that? Let's be honest, when it comes to design and interior feel, German and Japanese play two different games. And yes, German cars win this round. BMW, Mercedes, Audi, even Volkswagen, they just feel more premium inside. The materials, the layout, the way the cabin wraps around you, everything screams precision and prestige. You sit down in a car and immediately know where your money went. But here is what people often forget. Japan isn't just Toyota and Lexus. There is also Mazda, Honda and Subaru, and they come a long way. I can say that Mazda interiors today, they are stunning, simple, elegant and genuinely well built. Honda has nailed modern ergonomics and tech that works, not just looks. If you're torn between reliability and modern design, don't just default to Toyota and pay the reliability tax. Look at Mazda or Honda instead, you will get real quality and modern interior with still Japanese reliability without overpaying the badge. And before we jump into the next part, subscribe to the channel. Now let's check how it hits your wallet. The core of the problem: what happens when things go wrong. Both brands break, but they break differently and charge you differently. German engineering is complex, highly tuned and uses special parts. Like a BMW N47 timing chain, a faulty Mercedes air suspension strut or a Volkswagen DSG mechatronics unit, the repair is catastrophic. A simple repair can cost you from £3,000 to £6,000. Why? Because parts are expensive and the diagnosis requires specialized software and the labor is intense. Japanese cars break less often and the problems are usually predictable. Suspension bushings, brake wear or minor sensor issues. Parts are widely available and mechanics don't need a doctorate to diagnose it. The cost of a major repair is usually 1/3 of a German equivalent. They are built with a garage mechanic in mind, not just a factory technician. And I'm owning a BMW 5 Series, and here is my honest take. I bought it 2 years ago with around 55,000 miles on the clock. And now it has 85,000 miles. And you know, was it any repairs on it? Nothing except regular oil and filter changes. The only thing that broke was a rear spring once and that's it. Just to add, all the electronics works perfectly, every button, every knob. So, and this car is 9 years old. When I look at a used market for the same model with the same year and see the examples running with 300k miles, it gives me confidence that my engine will easily do 150 or 200,000 miles easy. With one detail actually, as long as you stay on top of maintenance and don't miss chain replacement. Sure, if you abuse it, do constant launches and chase cheap tuning, the engine won't thank you. And now, as I promised, a real world price snapshot I promised in the beginning of the video, so we can see the comparison of the same cars with the same year, the same miles condition. We will see what are the real prices. Yeah. First, I took a BMW 5 Series and I compare it with Mercedes E-Class, Toyota Camry and Lexus ES series. And what we have here. So I put the filter with years from 2017 to 2019 and the miles up to 60,000 miles for all the cars that I will show you. And we can see that here BMW price is 22,000 pounds, 17,000 pounds. Yes, you see the mileage, all this stuff, 16, 17. Okay, so I think the average price is pretty clear for now. Yes, so it's 17, 18, and models with less mileage cost 20, 22. Next one, I have Mercedes E-Class. The same conditions as you can see here. So what do we have? Which prices? 17, 23, next one 21, 19, 7, almost 18. So I would say they are the same with BMW 5 Series probably. The mileage, I think it depends which package it has. So price probably the same, but 20, 17, 18,000 pounds for Mercedes E-Class of 2017-2019 year. And next one, we have Lexus ES. By the way, not too much Lexus ES series. We have here only 6.5, I think, yes, because most of the people in Britain chooses probably German cars. The same condition, the same year, mileage. I compare these models because I personally consider them like in same segment of the market. We can see the prices: 21, 22, 25, 25, 22, next one, 20, almost 22, and just this one, you see. What can I say? They a bit higher. Yeah, next one, Toyota Camry. It's really rare car on the road in the UK. I saw while I'm just living here maybe 2 or 3 only. And we have the prices, of course, you can see a bit less, but even with the same like Lexus, but it's Toyota Camry and Lexus ES. I don't know, I would choose probably Lexus, but I also like this Camry model. I'm not comparing now the interior, the exterior, it's another part of another video. We're just looking at the prices in the same conditions for the car. Next one, Mazda 6. Yeah, Mazda is much less money, costs much less money. We can see 10,000, 10, 15, 12, 13,000 for good example, I would say. And this was comparing in this segment. Let's jump into next segment. And now we're jumping into the next compact class, same years, same miles. Just look. First we have BMW 3rd series, 60,000 miles up to 60,000, 2017-2019 BMW. So these will remain the same, only make and model will vary. So 3rd series, this is new design, it costs 17, the F series cost 15, so BMW 3rd series in that range could cost without category 17,000. Yes, 17, 16 probably, but I think good example would cost 17 at least. And we jump. Next one, Mercedes C-Class. Personally, my internal feeling that this could be compared with BMW 3 series. The same conditions. It's 4 doors, 25. Okay, this is too much, I think, for it. This one 10, 14 with 2.1. Of course, engines are different. For this car, you could buy it 16, 17, 17,000, I guess. You can choose something. And for the third series it was 16, 18, yeah, mostly. Next one, jump to Lexus, and I put IS model. Also not too much, but I think maybe 50 cars I saw in filter. The price for it 18, 16, 17. It's Lexus IS. By the way, good car, I drove it. 14, but small, I would say it's small car. And we see that this Lexus is cost a bit less, so first digit 14, yeah, 14, 18, 16, okay, 19, but you can find. I think it all depends, but I can put them all in one price range. This Lexus, C, Mercedes C-Class and BMW 3rd. Next one, I put Toyota Corolla. We know that there are some like hatchback, estate versions. Corolla hatchback 14. We can see that these cars a bit lower price. But maybe Corolla is not, perfect comparison. Maybe I should take Avensis for this. Maybe. Okay, let's jump next. Mazda 3. Mazda 3 definitely could be considered for this range. 9, 7. It's Mazda, as I told. By the way, I had this particular Mazda for 3 years. I was owning this car, and I can say really perfect rate with money and the tech that is inside. So Mazda definitely cheaper. We even can see 2019 for 13,000. That's interesting. So definitely Mazda is less price. Next one, Honda Civic, of course, and I'm considering this particular model. 14, 9, 11, this one, 9, 11. Honda Civic is even cheaper than Mazda. It's a really good option, I would take it for me personally too. Not this 1.0 engine, 1.5 I think. That's why 1.0, oh my god. We can see that in segment of business sedans like BMW 5 Series, Lexus, Toyota Camry, Japanese holds their value a bit better, yeah. And in the segments of small compact cars, I would say the Germans are holding their value better. They really deserve to do it. But in general, German cars like BMW, Mercedes, Audis often cost almost the same, like with Japanese cars, as we thought in comparison, sometimes just 1-2K less. To summarize, I think this choice depends on your needs, your habits, and what design you like, yes? Because as I said, I had Mazdas in previous, I had Mazda 3, Mazda 6, now I own a BMW car, and I love Mazdas and I love BMW, so it depends what you need in particular time and particular part of your life. And if this video was helpful, stay tuned and subscribe for more.